Elephants are the largest living animals on earth and they are the most unique creatures. With their long ears, trunk, and wide thick legs, elephants are also loved by humans as despite them being classified as wild animals, they are friendly with human beings and is liked by many. Due to their large ears, it is said that they are very good at detecting sounds and can even recognize the call of father elephant from a kilometer away. Elephants are also highly intelligent animals and is said to have a very good memory power. Elephant is also considered as the natural gardener. Rich in fiber and mineral, elephant dung is an important fertilizer that maintains nutrient-rich soil. Most of us know that there are two types of elephants, the African savanna elephant, also known as the African bush elephant, and the Asian elephant. However, in 2010, a detailed genetic study confirmed that there is a third distinct species which is called as the African forest elephant. It is only found in the rainforest of Central and West Africa. Savanna elephants are found in sub-Saharan Africa, including Kenya, Tanzania, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Namibia, South Africa, and Angola. Forest elephants are found in Central and West Africa, including Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Cameroon and Central African Republic, and Ivory Coast, Liberia, and Ghana. Asian elephants are found in tropical and subtropical moist and dry broadleaf forests in India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, China, Malaysia and Indonesia. However, this intelligent and huge animal is constantly facing threats for its survival. Elephants are being targeted by us, the greedy humans, for our survival. A classic example of human-elephant conflict is all the paths that the elephant used to tread before are now converted into fields, and to protect the crops from getting thrashed by them, we fence it using electricity, and when an elephant touches it accidentally, it suffers injuries and sometimes even dies. In other cases, elephants are also poached for its ivory tusk that can fetch millions if it is sold. Also, in India, many elephants are held captive in temples and for tourism purposes. A study states that there are around 3,500 captive elephants in the country. In most cases, they are subjected to harsh treatment. They are also fed poor diets and are given limited veterinary care. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, African savanna elephants and forest elephants are classified as vulnerable. Asian elephants are classified as endangered. So, in order to protect elephants from extinction and poor domestic treatment, August 12 is being celebrated as World Elephant Day. This day is dedicated to the huge animal protection and preservation. On this day, awareness is given to the people to make them understand the need for better protection for these creatures and also to restrict the illegal poaching and trade of ivory and also better treatment of captive elephants. Like how India has given importance to tigers and is successful in organizing the Save Tiger campaign to save the tiger population in the country, similarly, the focus has to be given to the elephants. Elephant has the same status as that of the tiger and was declared the national heritage animal in 2010. Despite being protected under the law and also being a revered animal, elephant is still being exploited, mostly by the tourism industry. The Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, which was amended in 2002, banned the sale of captive elephants which were not registered with the Forest Department. However, the exemption under the Section 40 giving special status to elephants regarding possession, inheritance or acquisition has enabled the elephant traders to defy the ban and continue with the illegal trade. The trend today is people are gifting elephants using a loophole in the law and the trade flourishes. As a Schedule 1 animal under Section 40 of the Wildlife Protection Act, it is prohibited to possess, acquire, dispose of and transport a captive elephant without written permission of the Chief Wildlife Warden or the authorized officer under the WPA 1972. Section 43 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 restricts the sale, purchase or transfers of captive elephants from one person to another for monetary considerations or any other profitable gain. So still, it is necessary that strict policies must be enforced to prevent illegal poaching and trade of ivory and also ensure that elephants are being fed and taken proper care of when held captive. On Elephant Day, we must educate others about the need to protect elephants and must collectively raise voice against the atrocities meted out to these jumbo creatures. A program named MIKE, which is Monitoring the Illegal Killing of Elephants, was established by the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora in 1997. And there are over 10 sites of that program in India that ensures that there is no illegal killing of the elephants. In 2015, the United Nations adopted the first ever resolution to fight smuggling on wild animals titled Resolution on Tackling Illicit Trafficking in Wildlife. With this, many countries have committed themselves to end poaching and illegal trade of wildlife. But every country in the world must impose a strict ban on the trade of ivory, and also strict rules must be put in place to prevent the illegal trading of elephants for domestic purpose. Recently, the killing of a pregnant elephant in Kerala using explosives in the pineapple is a great example of human-elephant conflict. This should never happen again, and we should safeguard the elephants for our future generations. Without sharing our lives with other creatures on earth, we cannot isolate ourselves. It is our responsibility to save elephant from extinction and also coexist with them. On this day, let's pledge to support a world that protects elephants and their habitat. Let's support efforts to treat and care these magnificent creatures in non-exploitative and sustainable environments where they can thrive. Let's live and let live.